Good day everybody, welcome back to the channel. So one more drone video. So it's the same nature again, range extender test. Just want to see how far I can go. Cut long story short, right, I've come for a walk. You can see there is absolutely nothing for miles. You shouldn't be able to really hear any wind because it seems flat calm. And on this walk, of which I've been going out here for about an hour and a half now, you never guess what I found. A random abandoned chair. All right, so there we go again, guys. We're just going to quickly turn the MAVIC Mini on. We're finally connected. That took a while. Right, so we are a bright sunny day, so I'm just going to leave that as 0.7. It's going to go into our settings, safety. Right, we're going to need to extend that. I can drop that back down to 120. I don't know why it was any higher. Right, so we're just waiting for our GPS. Hopefully that's going to come soon.
The home point has been updated. Please check it on the map.
There we go. I've got 17 satellites. Take off permitted. Going to hit the record. Going to make sure my screen's recording, which it is. So here we go. We're going to take off.
Take off. The home point has been updated. Please check it on the map.
Right, going to get some altitude just like we do all the other times. I'm going to start heading out. That'll do. A little bit of adjustments because I want to fly out in a straight line. Here we are. As all the other times before, we do need to make sure we're pointing this directly at the drone, which of course we are doing. Actually, I'm just going to switch to using my fingertips, which is what I've just done now. Here we go. Steady 52 meters. Still hear it, it's so peaceful and quiet out here. Just going to switch to the map. Plenty of satellites locked in. Lovely flight so far. A little bit of wind up there. Not getting any warnings so far, but our speed is dropping down a little bit. As you can see, 7.1, 7.2. had a hiccup so far. All over water now. Coming up to 1800 meters. Lovely, picking up speed again. Just dropped a barra signal there. Picked it back up now. Very far out now. Not really much of a hiccup. Signal has just dropped a little bit there. Come on. No. Come on. Don't drop out. No. Come on, keep going. Come on, fly through it, come on. Pick up signal. Best we've ever been. Oh. Now we've got some signal back. Really strange, we keep losing and getting it back. Right, I'm going to tap out because we've got a full signal. And there we go, it's finally stopped. Not sure what happened there, but then we've just lost a couple of 100 meters. Right, so we're heading off again. Like I said, my record was 3,000 meters.
Battery level is low. The aircraft will go to the home point in 10 seconds.
I have to cancel that. Not cancel. What's it doing this? $3,200 meters, let's get to it. I'm bringing it home. No, still going. 3,300 meters. I need to bring it back, we've got low battery. risk it? 3,500 meters. Do I risk it? Do I risk it? So we've got some signal, guys. %% battery. Right, that's it. Let's come up. Do what we need to do. Return to home. I can't believe we've just done that. 3,500 meters. And we still had range. Like I said, we're being limited by battery. So, nothing else we can do about that. Limited by battery. 50% to get there, 50% to get home. I know it didn't quite work like that. So this is going to be a close one. We'll see what happens. Right, so let's just assume this is going to get back safe. Right, I'll let you know if it doesn't. But yeah, absolutely phenomenal. Cannot believe we've just got to that. Can't believe it. Right guys, just a little point to note. Right, never trust the battery indicator. So you saw that I was 3,500 meters out, okay, and you also saw that I had just over 50% battery left to get there. To get back. Guess how much battery power I landed with? 28%, right? Such a massive difference. Basically, I could have continued. I could have got to about 4,000 meters, which would have been absolutely incredible. So yeah, thank you very much for watching. Don't forget, I really, really, really appreciate everybody that's subscribing to the channel, and anybody that are commenting. Really, really, really means a massive lot, guys. All your thumbs up. I can't even begin to tell you how much I enjoy them. Just knowing that you're enjoying something that I'm doing. But yeah, these range extenders, there's a link below in my bio. Amazon. Just buy some. They're amazing. Especially if you're in the UK as well, where you don't have the FCC model, you've only got the CE version. Just get a set. They're a few quid when you compare it to the price of the drone, and it just transforms it and gives you so much more scope to be able to fly it further. Anyway, I'm waffling. Thank you very much for watching, and catch you on the next video.